G'day trendsetters, it is the 6th of September 2020, which in Australia means it's the first Sunday of September, and which also means it's Father's Day. And in a tradition I set a few years ago for myself at Christmas time and Father's Day, and a little bit of birthday, I buy myself presents because then I get what I want. And in this occasion I bought a Ryobi brushless cordless line trimmer. Why Ryobi? Because I already have Ryobi batteries, and that's why, because I've already got Ryobi batteries for my drill. But, and this is a very important part, this is why I bought it for myself, because you guys paid for it. The viewers and the subscribers, every last wonderful one of you, have allowed me to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is a little while ago now, and since then I've accumulated a little bit of AdSense income, which has allowed me to afford this, which I have been after for a little while. But it's a treat for me coming out here, making the videos, talking to you guys, and I'm sharing, I suppose. But this is my Father's Day present to myself. So I'll open it, plug the battery in and see what it's like. But a few little things. It's easy reload, bump feed, so that's one of those ones where you just hit the ground and the feed comes out. A variable speed on the head, so you can go fast, slow. And it's a brushless motor, which is supposed to be whiz-bang electricity stuff at the moment. I've no idea what it's like. I've got nothing to compare it with, but I'll load it up. I don't know if there's any assembly required. We'll find out. I've got a patch of long grass down the side of the house that I really want to tidy up. So without any further ado, let's see what's inside. I did buy this, I don't know if it's Tuesday or Wednesday this week, and I've been busting ever since to open it up, see what's inside, apart from what's obvious, which is a whippersnipper, or what I call whippersnippers. What do they call it? A line trimmer. I might need to sharpen my knife. Righto. Oh, I guess there is some assembly required. Insert shaft fully to this line. Okay. Ooh, what else have I got? Oh, the handle. A very handy handle, I guess. All right, I've got a little bit of, the obligatory Allen key. How many, if you, 30 years ago, before flat pack was invented or it became popular, if only you invested in Allen key company, there must be a trillion of those Allen keys floating around. Is that recyclable? PELED 04. Cool, recyclable plastic. I think that's it. Empty box. All right, I'll come back when I've got all this together. Okay, moment of truth. Ready? Nothing. Hang on. Still nothing. Seems the battery is flat. This one is too. I might have to come back in an hour when it's charged up. Oh. Cool. So, just a quick note, I've had a few teething problems. The 5 amp battery that I have I was kind of aware that was some sort of an issue, because when I was using the Ryobi drill, it would keep cutting out. But then when I tried to use it in this, I'd rip it, snip a little 2-foot thing, and then it would cut out. And it would seem that there's an issue with that battery, and always has been. But this is a little 2.5 amp battery that also came with the same kit, and I did about 5 minutes up the back there just before, went like a steam train. It's absolutely fantastic, just what I need. I'm not trying to mow down hills. I just got a little yard, lots of veggie garden, lots of it, a little bit of ornamental garden, so it's just a few edges and a little patch of lawn that I just want to run over with this guy and a footpath out the front. I don't need a lawnmower. It's not enough. If I charge the little 2.5 amp battery up, come out for 10 minutes of an afternoon and trim around, job's done. But I've got this patch just down here, which I'm going to have to adjust the angle of the camera, and I'll run through that with the whippersnipper, show you what it can do. There's some fairly tall-ish grass there. Some of it's about 18 inches tall, and this bloke is just flying through it. It's got a high and low setting. Got it set on high so it spins a bit faster. But apart from the battery issues, I am very happy with it. So we'll set this up and get going. Pleased with my purchase. $219 just for the skin. 2.5, I don't know how long it'll run for. I've probably done 10 minutes on a 2.5 amp battery, so a good working 5 amp battery might go for 20-25 minutes. Depends a bit on the thickness of the grass, I suppose. But like I said, it does what I want to do, which is just keep the edges and paths and stuff like that tidy. If you've got a acreage or a bigger area that you're going to use it for longer periods of time, you might want to look at something else. And I don't know what, maybe a still or something like that. Longevity, I don't know, because I've only just bought it. Time will tell. So there you go. Happy Father's Day to all the dads. I hope you bought yourself something and somebody bought you something. Thanks to each and every subscriber that has helped me to get here and get this and have a good Father's Day. This afternoon I'll be going over to my daughter's place, and she's supposed to have some bit of a beer and a barbie for me, which I'm looking forward to greatly. And I'll see you in the next video. But Ryobi, I don't even know if it's got a model number. All right, see you in the next one. Cheers.